Ang hirap ipaliwanag eh. Ay, sakit sa ulo. Aray ka. Excuse sir, do you splitting? Do you split your saliva? Like that? Don't do that. Don't do that.
Ah,
Yeah, don't do that.
ano?
Oh yeah. There you go. So learn North. Next time, if you are booking Grab or other 10BS, don't do that again. You're splitting your saliva inside the car. Don't do that again. Ay nako, magkano lang ibabayad mo? Wait. Ang hirap magalit. Ang hirap ipaliwanag eh. Ay, sakit sa ulo. Aray ka.